Hello friends! Right now, we are going to show you two best dual dash cam. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included a link in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Number 1. IIWEY N5 4-channel dash cam, 360-degree view, 1080p front and rear, inside left-right dash camera for cars, 8 IR lamps night vision, 5G Wi-Fi and app control, G-sensor, parking mode, with a free 128GB SD card. Brand, IIWEY. Model name, N5. Vehicle service type, car, truck. Connectivity technology, app, Wi-Fi. Special feature, 360-degree, app control. Please note the app is completely free to use. Please do not activate VIP functions in the app. Those functions are unnecessary. Built-in display, built-in supercapacitor, loop recording, 5G Wi-Fi, G-sensor, night version, parking mode, 360-degree, app control. Please note the app is completely free to use. Please do not activate VIP functions in the app. Those functions are unnecessary. Built-in display, built-in supercapacitor, see more. Included components, cable clip, car charger, car mount, charging cable, crowbar, installation tool, quick guide, user manual, warranty card. Cable clip, car charger, car mount, charging cable, crowbar, installation tool, quick guide, user manual, warranty card. Mounting type, windshield mount. Color, black. Field of view, 170 degrees. This product must be powered by the original cigarette lighter charger. It cannot be powered by a USB cable or a Type-C cable. IIWEY N5 dashcam equipped with a 3-inch IPS screen, FHD 1080p plus 1080p plus 1080p plus 1080p, which can record 360-degree all-around, including front, rear, sides, and interior. It also features a 2.5K plus 1080p plus 1080p plus 1080p mode for diverse needs. In addition, N5 is equipped with 170-degree super wide-angle front and rear cameras and 150-degree wide-angle side cameras, providing a wide field of view. Number 2. 70mm dual dash cam front and rear 4K. Car camera for cars with Sony IMX678, Starvis 2 night vision, 4G LTE, AI motion detection, ADAS, 5 GHz Wi-Fi 6, parking monitor, voice control, 4K Omni X800. Brand, 70mm. Model name, X800. Vehicle service type, ATV, bus, minivan, RV, tractor, truck, UTV, Uber. Connectivity technology, Wi-Fi. Video capture resolution, 2160p. Mounting type, windshield mount. Color, black. Field of view, 146 degrees. 4K 60 FPS front dashcam. Experience true-to-life clarity with 3840 by 2160p 4K dashcam, capturing every detail in stunning resolution. With 60 FPS front cam high-speed recording, fast-moving scenes are smooth and sharp. The MyColor Vivid Plus solution enhances color accuracy, while ROI technology intelligently enhances license plate areas for better visibility. The 146-degree wide-angle lens covers 8 lanes, and with 340-degree rotation, it achieves 360-degree coverage, minimizing blind spots even in low light. 4G remote and 24/7 parking monitoring. Stay connected to your car anytime, anywhere via 4G LTE. Need to purchase hardwire kit UP05 separately, ASIN BODDT9HMYJ. Front and rear dash cameras provide real-time alerts, using AI algorithms to ignore false alarms, such as wind-blown leaves. Use the 70My app to remotely locate your car, view live footage. Time-lapse capture compresses 24 hours into 2 minutes, saving storage space and not missing critical events.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.